In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a signature in DocuSign. Whether you've just decided to update your signature or want a fresh look for your electronic signature, this guide will walk you through every step of the process in DocuSign. We'll make sure you have everything you need to change your signature seamlessly, ensuring all your digital documents reflect your current preferences. To begin, navigate to the DocuSign homepage where you can handle all your personal settings. The first thing you'll need to do is click on your profile icon, usually found in the top right corner of the screen, and then select Manage Profile. This is your main hub for personal preferences in DocuSign and where you can access the signature settings. Once you're in your profile management area, find the section labeled Signature. Here, you'll want to look for the Add Actions button, which usually features a drop-down arrow next to it. Click on this button and find the Edit option. This is how you'll access the various options to modify or replace your current signature. Now that you're in the editing mode, DocuSign provides a few choices for your signature style. You can select an existing electronic signature if you have one, draw a new signature, or even upload your own e-signature. Each option gives you a different way to personalize your digital sign-off to fit your needs best. Let's focus on drawing a new signature for this tutorial to give you a more hands-on approach. Select the Draw option. Once you do, a canvas will appear where you can draw your signature using your mouse, stylus, or even your finger, depending on your device. Take your time and create a version of your signature that you're happy with. It doesn't have to be perfect on the first try. You can always erase and redo it until you're satisfied with how it looks. After you're done drawing your signature and you've nailed the look you want, it's time to save this updated signature. Look for the Create button to finalize your new signature. When you hit Create, DocuSign replaces your old signature with the one you've just drawn. This new signature will now be the one used in all your future documents, bringing a fresh and updated style to every document you sign. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can easily manage and update your signature in DocuSign, ensuring that all your electronic communications reflect your current signature style. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips like these.